Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In previous video I showed you how to set up the OpenCode application with the workers AI from the Cloudflare, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up your Pi agent, also OpenCode. Now because the previous video was using the application of the OpenCode, I'm going to show you how to set up your OpenCode from the terminal. We're going to install and then set up both of them, the Pi agent, also the OpenCode with the workers AI from the Cloudflare. First, we need to create an account on the Cloudflare and then go to dashboard. Here we have workers AI. We need to go to REST API, and first let's go and install the Pi agent and also the OpenCode. So I'm going to copy this. You can install through curl, npm, pnpm, ban, but I suggest use this curl. I'm going to open Alacrity here, and let me just zoom it for you, and then I'm going to paste. So this is going to install Pi agent. Okay, I'm going to say yes, and then the same thing I'm going to do for the OpenCode. I'm going to zoom it also this one. Now you need to have npm installed in your machine. Okay, so now Pi was installed successfully. Let's install also the OpenCode. Good. If I navigate the herd directory, and just if I launch here Pi agent, yeah, no models available, so use /login to log into a provider via OAuth or API key. The same thing if I open the OpenCode. Okay, here's the OpenCode, and we have Big Pickle. If I search for models, for now, right now we have only Big Pickle. We have a popular provider which is the OpenCode, Zen, Go, OpenAI, GitHub, Anthropic, and Google. Now let's come here and let's go and create a workers AI API token. I'm going to say create, and now I'm going to copy this API token here, and I'm going to say /connect, and I'm going to connect the Cloudflare workers AI. And here first you can see enter your Cloudflare account ID. Here we have the account ID. Copy this account ID and paste it right here. I'm going to hit enter. Then we need the API key. So let's go and let's give it a name, OpenCode. So this one is for the OpenCode only. And let's copy this OpenCode and paste it here. Hit enter. And now if I say for Kimi K2.6, here we have, and just say hi. And yeah, this is always working. Now let's see. Let's stop this one and open the Pi agent. On the Pi agent, we say, as you can see here, use the /login to log into a provider. So let's say /login, hit enter, use a subscription or use an API key. I'm going to use an API key, and we have Amazon, Anthropic, Azure, we have Cloudflare, AI Gateway, and also Workers AI. So let's hit enter and just enter the API key. We can create another one. Let's name it Pi. I'm going to name it Pi agent, but you can name it what you like. I'm going to create this token. I'm going to copy this token, and now let's paste that token in here and save the API key for Cloudflare Workers AI. Selected the Kimi K2.6, as you can see. Credentials, saved the users, my name, .py agent auth JSON. If I say hi here, we have an error. So Cloudflare account ID is required for provider Cloudflare Workers AI, but it's not set. So now we need, so let's copy this, and first let's stop here, open the shrc with nvim or with vim only, And let's just say export this Cloudflare account ID, Apple, and here we need to add that account ID, which is this one here. I'm going to copy, paste, escape, save this, and source also. Hit enter. And now if I say pi, okay, we have selected here, as you can see, Kimi K2.6 from the Cloudflare. And now if I say just hi, yeah, the user said hi and hello, how can I help you? Okay friends, that's it for this video. I wanted to show you how to set up this workers AI with PyAgent and also with OpenCode from scratch. Now if you like such a video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. All the best.